Hello everyone, I am Sunita Rawat, Faculty of Computer Science. I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School. In this video, I am going to discuss the topic conditional statement. The topic will be covered in this video are conditional statements, if statement, if-else statement, if-elif statement, and nested if-else statement. Conditional statement is also known as decision-making statement. The basic decision-making statement in computer is selection structure. The decision is described to a computer as a conditional statement that can be answered true or false. If this expression is true, the following statement will be executed. Otherwise, if this expression is false, this expression will be executed. These are the conditional statements: if statement, if-else statement, if-elif-else statement, and nested if-else statement. The first one is the if statement. The if statement is a decision-making statement. It is used to control the flow of execution of the statements and also used to test logically whether the condition is true or false. The syntax and program of if statement is: if is a syntax, if test expression, and there will be and colon will be there. This is a syntax of if statement, and whatever the statement will be there, if the condition is true, it will be statement. For example, I is equals to int input enter the number. User enter a number. If I is less than is equals to 10, then print condition is true, and like this is an output, enter the number and user enter 9, so the condition is true, so it will execute the condition is true. Next is if else statement. The if else statement is called alternative execution. There are two possibilities and the condition determines which one gets executed. The syntax of if else statement is if text expression colon body of if, or we can say statement of if, else colon body of else. This is an indentation between body of if and body of else. This is the program of using if else statement, like num is equals to int input enter the number, means user will give any number. If num %2 means remainder will be equals to is equals to 0. If remainder will be is equals to 0, then print the given number is even. If the condition is true, it will give given number is even, else print given number is odd. Like in this example, user entered 9 and 9 divided by 2 and the remainder will not be 0. That's why the number is odd. Elif statement. Elif is a keyword used in Python in replacement of else if to place another condition in the program. This is called chain conditional. Chain conditional allows then two possibilities and need more than two branches. The syntax and program of using if, elif, and else statement is if expression colon body of if, elif expression body of elif, else colon body of else. The program for same is a is equals to int input and a first number, b is equals to int input and a second number, c is equals to int input and a third number. This is the syntax of taking input from the user. If a is greater than b and a is greater than c, if both the conditions are true, it will print a is greater, elif b is less than a and b is less than c, so it will print b is greater. Else condition is if both the conditions are not true, that is if and elif, it will print c is greater. Next is nested if-else statement. We can write an entire if-else statement in another if-else statement called nesting, and the statement is called nested if. In a nested if construct, you can have an if, elif, else construct inside an if, elif, else construct. The syntax for the same as if expression 1 statement if expression 2 statement, elif expression third statements, and then else statement. The program for the same is n is equals to int input enter number. If n is less than is equals to 15, then where comes in nested if, first if and the second if, that is in the block. If n is equals to 10, then it will print play cricket. And this if statement having else statement, that is if n is not equals to 10, so it will print play kabaddi. Okay, and the next else is a block of first if n is not less than or equals to 15, so it will not execute the if statement, so it will execute else statement, so it will print don't play game, right? Like if user enter a number that will be 10, so it will be in play cricket. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.